I put the powder on my plastic sheet. Only little powder, don't put more powder. Okay, and now you made a ball, flatten your ball, and with the rolling pin, bell and round this dandiya stick also you can use. We are making a chapati first, little thick chapati, not fine, because the base of the pot or the smaller one we are taking, and then you take any circular lid, ढक्कन, किसी का ढक्कन ले, छोटा size, don't take big size, take a smaller size, and with the keep it on the what we tell yola clay, and take a circular cutout of it. Is that clear? So I am using the cap of the Fevikwik color big bottle. So I am taking it like this, and I am cutting it. Got it? Puri bana raha hai na? So you can take the glass also. Okay, so I've got this round base. Smaller size. Don't make very big size. You can take the glass, small glasses which is having a sharp edge. With that also you can cut. Okay, so we got this base circle. Okay. What we have done? We made a chapati like thick chapati, and then we are taking the cap, lid of anything or the glass, and we are cutting a circle. Now this you have to keep in the side. Now you have to make 15 coils. This size circular, 15 coils you have to make of the same size. So what you will do? You have to massage your clay, because it is air dry clay. It will dry very fast. So always keep it in the cover. Whenever you want to use it, massage it properly, and then you use it. Okay. So I'm taking little, rest I'm keeping in my plastic cover. Now the powder is on the table. Okay, and I'm making fine clay. Use your palm. Okay, use your palm, not your finger. Palm you will use to make the coil. Okay, so I am making the coil. Now the coil should be big as the circle. Okay, and in same size. There are 5 coils you have to make. 15 coils. Thin coils, not very thin, but little thin. This we can use as a pen stand or anything to keep inside it. You can use, if you make lid, you can keep your jewelry, small items. Now this I have made the size of 2 coils will be there, because I have taken thicker clay. And you all will continue doing this work, and at that time I will be checking one person's art and craft book. Okay, are you listening? So your art and craft book also should be ready with you. See now, this is the base. Okay, on the base, this is one side. So I will cut till here. So this is my measurement. I have to make like this 15 coils. What happened to Jeet? Why your video is not starting? Network issue is there or what? Now on this base, while you have to put little Fevicol and you have to stick it. Otherwise it will not stick.
Oh, yes.
So now at the edge I am putting the Fevicol. Little Fevicol, don't put more Fevicol. Huh? So this Fevicol, after you make all the 15 coils, then you start sticking one by one. Otherwise, once the Fevicol gets stuck to your hand, then again the, what we tell, the clay will get stuck to you, your fingers. So see, this one layer I have stuck. Okay. Now see, here is the joint mine. Now the second layer, I will not start from here. I will start from somewhere else from the joint. Why? Because otherwise if all the joints are in a straight line, the coil pot will break. Is that clear? So the second, I will start from the other somewhere. And it is kept one above the other in straight line only. Don't bend it inside or outside. In straight only here. Got it? Now this was the two coils I made. Other coils I can make again. Same size the coil. So 15 coils all together you will make first and keep. Okay? 1 5. Put little only powder, don't put more powder. If you put more powder, it will become very slippery. So smooth that the coil will move away from your sheet.
Miss,
Yes.
our foil is over. Then we will take any
Color.
foil.
Any color you can take. Because we are going to color it on this top. And next pottery class, I will show you all how to decorate this coil pot. By that time, it will get dried properly. So we will make flowers and leaves and some butterflies over it, small ones, and we will decorate this coil pot.
Miss, we have to make 15 coils. Okay.
Hmm? Now here is my attachment. So I will not start from here. I will start like this, between somewhere. Okay, like this I will make and I'll stick. So every time you have to stick with Fevicol, otherwise the clay will not stick on one number because powder is also there, na? And see that your coil is even, there is no gap. Between both the coils, there should be no gap. Coil pot technique this is. 6 layers I made. That more 9 layers I'll make. So you will get the pot at this height. So when you keep a pencil and all, now if you are making a small box, round box, you can make little more big, and then you can make a lid for it. How we have cut the base, that only you can cut one more round, little bigger than the base, and then it will keep a handle, small ball, so it becomes a lid. Is that clear? Are you all understanding? See that all are in same length. One should not go inside out like that, nothing should become, should be same. And there is no gap between each other.
Miss,
Uh,
Miss, can you tell again how to make it?
who is that now?
It's my.
Who is I? Who is I? Siddhi. Why you became late?
Sorry.
Siddhi? Why you are late? We are making coil pot or pen stand, or you can call it flower vase, anything you can do. Okay, box, round box. The basic is coil technique. What we are doing is, first we are taking a clay, put a plastic sheet down, put little powder, little only, spread on the plastic sheet. This chapati, thick chapati we are making for those who have come late. Okay. Taking a thick chapati we are making, then taking the lid of small vessel or small glass, not very big. And we are cutting the circle. Okay. We have cut the circle. Now this becomes the base of the.
इस पर मैंने आटे से
हाँ कैसा बनाया है?
आटे से
Okay. Then you are making. Now this is nice when you cut with the lid to get a proper circle. Then we are making 15 coils which will cover the circle. Is that clear? 1 5, 15 coils.
Yes.
हाँ पर अभी सिर्फ कॉइल ही बनाना है, दूसरा कुछ नहीं बनाना है.
मैं
हाँ
पिंक कलर मेरे पास नहीं है तो मैं येलो कलर ले
कोई
लूं.
भी कलर लो. I have got whichever color I am taking now. Any color you can take. Okay, now this is the base. I have stuck 6 coils. Now again 9 coils I have to stick. Okay, you all will stick 9 more coils. By that time I will check the books. Roll number 2. Who is roll number 2? Everybody's art and craft book should be in the side. Thin coils you have to make, not very thin, but thin. Okay. And you will stick round and round like this. It will be one above the other in straight line. It will not be smaller. If you make it smaller, it will go inside. If you make it bigger, it will go outside. It will fall outside. So you will make it round and round in the same level. Is that clear? So you will see that it is moving properly in the same level. Is that clear? All are understanding? Okay. So now I will check. Now if you all are making a small box, like that base you make more, bigger one, and this will become the lid. Okay, on the lid you can keep a small ball as an handle. And if you want to make flower vase, you make it straight long like this up. Okay, you will get a flower vase. You all